Autumn falls on Potanipo side, crimson leaves and golden tide, covered bridge in evening glow, lighthouse flickers soft and slow.
Potanipo Lake!
Electric fire,
Colors burn!
then drift up higher. The echoes play. So won't decay. Amber sky and northern breeze whisper stories through the trees. From the bridge to begin's gleam, time stands still inside this dream.
Dusk and flame, everything and none the same. In your glass, the seasons flow.